Edison's goal here in West Orange is to lower the risk of innovation by making sure that he has all of the resources that he could possibly need to solve a problem at his disposal. The library that you see here that has 10,000 volumes, scientific and technical journals and books on the latest research, shows that Edison believed in the importance of having the best and most up-to-date scientific information. It's his database, it's where he derives ideas and the knowledge that he needs to be a successful inventor. The stockroom has all of the tools and equipment and material that he might need. He had an enormous amount of control over the research and development process. What Edison does in the laboratory is very important. He lowers the overall risk of R&D by creating a diversified research agenda. And by doing that, he knows that some of his ideas are going to work out and be successful, and some of them may not. And he's going to use the successful products to help support the ones that may not be successful. If he believed in a technology and he believed that he was going to be successful, he was not afraid to put his resources into that project. Edison had no professional training, had no engineering training whatsoever. In the public consciousness, Edison is regarded as this sort of lone inventor who kind of works by himself or with a small group of people to turn out these new inventions. But actually, in reality, Edison is part of a community of scientists, inventors, engineers, technologists, all different kinds of professions. A community of people who, in the late 19th century, were beginning to transform the United States from an agrarian society and into an industrial society. There are documents in Edison's files that tell us that Edison corresponded with the men who were instrumental in creating the ASME, and we actually have a receipt that shows that Edison paid $150 for a life membership in 1880. So he's at the beginning of the ASME history. If you're talking about modern innovation, where you're talking about business leaders that combine self-branding, product development, manufacturing, and marketing, and mix that with corporate finance and working within companies. If you talk about that type of modern innovator, and of course I'm referring to people like Steve Jobs, Walt Disney, people of that caliber, you put Edison first. Because Edison, more than anything else, that's why he's important. He is the guy who brings all these things together to make modern innovation possible, the way we understand it today.